So in this example, we're looking at the toaster and we need to find out its electrical resistance. Now we know the potential difference of 230 volts and we know there's a current of 9.0 amps flowing. So what we don't know is the value of the electrical resistance R, but we know that the potential difference V is equal to 230 volts and the current I is equal to 9.0 amps. Now we can use the equation that says V is equal to I times R. I'm just going to rearrange this to make R the subject, and we're going to do that by dividing both sides by I. So the electrical resistance is equal to V divided by I, which is equal to 230 divided by 9.0. And then if I use my calculator for this gives an answer of 25.55555. Now my raw data is given to two significant figures over here, so I'm going to give my final answer to two significant figures as well. And that means I can round this up to 26 ohms. And it's this symbol here that we use for electrical resistance.